Hi there again. Let's check it off my list. I named the world's grand champ on my paper. Check. I do pod clapping to the beat. Check. No need making these sounds like Gerald McBoing Boing does, and guess the dog breed. Okay. So this is gonna be a great time for making these sounds. Okay.
Ready?
I'm definitely ready.
Set.
I'm definitely set.
Go.
Now we need guess the dog breed. The breed of the dogs.
Ready?
I'm definitely ready.
Set.
I'm definitely set.
Go.
Okay, first up is Yabgan Hound. Next up is Lippet, the Dalmatian, the Havanese, the Pekingese, the Pomeranian, the Saluki, the Bloodhound, the Basset Hound, the Saint Bernard, the Shar-Pei, the Boston Terrier, the Rottweiler. I got it! The Akita, the Maltese, the Pug, the South Korean Terrier, the Wamoy, the Mediterranean, the Medicine Saucer, the Toy Fox Terrier, the Chow Chow, the Labrador Retriever, the Chihuahua, the Elk Hound, Bullseye, the Greyhound, and oh, I finished 2 challenges. Well done.